What's up everybody? As always, I hope you guys are having a beautiful, blessed, and lovely day. Today we are going to be going out to some local stores in Las Vegas and seeing if the Taxi 1 is sitting for retail, and hopefully we will be able to pick up a pair or two if they are sitting for retail. Let me know if these were a cop or drop for you. Make sure to subscribe for more sneaker videos from Las Vegas, and yeah, let's dive right into it. I'll see you at the end of the video. Alright, we made it to Shoe Palace. We're gonna see. I don't think anything is sitting, but hopefully we get lucky. See, they have them. Some smaller sizes, but these are a size 7 men, so I don't know if that's the biggest size they have left.
I think reselling is done. These are going for resale?
Yeah.
Look at this.
Yeah, not bad. Because I see people selling them for like $250 and $300 on OfferUp. So we'll see in a second. Yeah, true. Don't sleep on the stores. I have no idea. Think he has it?
Yeah, you can box them up.
While we're here though, let's go ahead and check out what else is sitting right here. They got a few things. So, GS section has a lot. Stealth, bunch, mids. Oh, okay. Interesting. For sure. Yeah, GS size. 7s, some mids, lows, 12s. I believe these are called the center courts, right? Not that there's any hype behind them, but then also those. So yeah, not bad. So the Hyper Royals, they will also have the raffle, but I'm gonna be going for the black canvas 4s. Those I'm very hyped about because they look like the M&M 4s. But yeah, good. I was able to get the double up. Shout out Cody for the assist. Unfortunately, they did not have any of the Fire Red 3s though. I'm very excited to see these. They only come with one lace, so maybe I'll get some other laces. But yeah, now we're gonna head to the other, some other locations around Las Vegas and see if they're sitting there. So I'll check back with you soon. Alrighty guys, we are back from the store now. We didn't end up going to any other sneaker stores, but I think we are going to go out to a few retail sneaker stores tomorrow. I'm gonna try and find a pair of Fire Red 3s sitting for retail. So when I went there, the yellow toes were not sitting on like the main shelves that you can see when you're walking by. They were closer to the cash register. So they had little kid sizes, grade school sizes, and men's size. And talking to the employees, it sounds like they have a good amount. I definitely think these will probably sell out before next Wednesday. But first, let's go ahead and look at the pickups. So, U size, this pair is for my mom. I want to look at the material really quick because I think the material on the men's is pretty good. It's not the best, pretty good, but the material on the GS sizes is not really that great. It feels very stiff. The medial and lateral white leather panels are not that great. The toe box is very hard. You can't really see any texture whatsoever. The softest part of leather is probably this black leather around the toe box and around your Achilles tendon area. Would that stop me from buying them if I was a GS size? No, because I really enjoy this colorway. I like what Jordan Brand did with it. I heard some people talking about the shade of yellow on the shoe, but I don't think it's that bad. I was surprised that these did not come with any extra laces, which kind of sucks. I wish they would have included some yellow laces, some white laces, but we don't get anything on the GS and we don't get anything on the men's pair either, which kind of sucks. But yeah, I just wanted to include that. The quality of the GS size is not that great at all. I will put up a full review tomorrow, so make sure to stay tuned for that, or it may already be up while you're watching this, but I definitely just wanted to throw that in here. Now same with these, I will have a full detailed review up with these, but we're just gonna quickly look. So these are size 10.5, I'm a 9.5, but there was a little mix up when me and Cody bought the shoes, which is no biggie. Let's go ahead and get these open. Whew. Gotta do a smell test too. Wow, I almost dropped the shoe. If you guys have been rocking with the channel for a minute, you know how often I drop shoes, but let's go ahead and get that smell test in. So good. So this quality is way better than this quality, but I don't think this quality is at the shattered backboard level. I think it's nice. I think it feels really good. The texture looks really good. The only complaint I have about these shoes is that they raised the retail price $10, but they didn't include any extra laces. Ooh, this toe box is a really, really nice toe box. Also, I want to ask, did anyone pay resale here? I hope nobody paid resale. But if you did, how much did you pay resale? And do you think that resale value is worth it? Over time, I definitely think these will go up in price. It's a pretty good shoe. Leather quality is not bad. The whole colorway is so dope. I've been waiting on these for a long time. Now the major shoes that I have to check off: the Lost and Found Air Jordan 1s, the Black Canvas Jordan 1s, and the Air Jordan 2s. If you're looking for information on those, I have uploaded some videos on those, so make sure to check that out. Yeah, if you were in this morning's live stream, then you knew that sneakers went ahead and gave me the L, but it's all good because I'd rather walk into the store and buy them anyway. Like I said, we're going to be putting up another video tomorrow, so make sure to stay tuned for that. As always, I hope you guys have a beautiful, blessed, and lovely day, and let me know if you guys decided to cop or drop these. But yeah, till next time, guys. Peace. But sneakers go. But if you're looking for information of video, if you, but yeah.